Hi, I'm Hunter. I'm going to be doing an oil change on a 2008 Honda Odyssey. It has 140,000 miles and a little bit of rod knock when you start it up. This one has a 3.5 liter V6. It takes 4.5 quarts of oil. I'm going to talk about some of the things you'll need. So a few of the things you'll need are oil, obviously. The van takes 4.5 quarts. This is 5W20 castor oil. Don't need anything expensive. I'm also using Lucas Oil, heavy duty oil stabilizer. It helps for the rod knock that when you start up the engine. Some other things are your oil filter. This is a Fram, cheap one. Don't need anything expensive, they do the same thing. A few things to help you for cleanup. A bucket so you don't get it all over the floor. Some paper towels when you do get it all over the floor. Gloves so it doesn't get all over your hands. And a funnel so it makes it easier to get it inside the engine. So some stuff you need to do for prep. I like to write the mileage and the date on the bottom of the oil filter to help me keep track of things. You'll also need to put a thin layer of new oil on the seal on the filter.
Here I have the oil plug and the oil filter. I already have the oil plug loose. So you put your bucket in place before you take it off. Be careful, might be hot depending on when you do it. Oh, crap. Oh, this sucks. This is why I don't change oil at night. Yeah. I made a freaking mess. Made a really bad mess too. So always make sure, one, you hit the bucket, and two, you have a big enough bucket to catch all the oil. And three, don't do it at night where you can't see anything. This is where the towels come in. So wipe down the area where it seals. Grab your new oil filter. Put it in place. Now these oil filters don't need to be too tight. Normally hand tight is good enough, but I'm gonna do an extra quarter turn onto that.
So the next part is putting the oil back in. The easiest part. And that's it for the actual oil replacement. Don't forget to put your caps and plugs back in. Next part is resetting the change oil light and then running it. I like to run it till it gets up to temperature. Make sure you monitor the oil pressure while you're doing that. So for this vehicle, you have to turn it on. Hold it down until it starts to flash. Release and press it again. Hold it down. Oil life 100%. Now we can crank it and let it get up to temperature. That's how you change the oil in this 2008 Honda Odyssey. That's the way I like to change it in most of the vehicles I work on. I do it the same way in the truck, and I think it can be translated to most other cars.